Now that we have our two character movements in our layers here, we're going to save these files for Scratch. Your background should be checkered, that means it's transparent. If it's not, you will need to delete any layers that are not making it transparent with the trash can here. In your layers, turn the eye off on movement 1.2 so we can just see movement 1.1. Then go up to File, Export, Export As. Make sure the format says PNG and that transparency is checked. Then click Export All. On your desktop, create a new folder and call it 2D Character Movement 1. In here, call this Movement 1.1 and then click Export. With your second movement, click the eye on and then the eye off for 1.1 so we can just see movement 1.2. Then go to File, Export, Export As. It should be PNG with transparency. Click Export All. In that folder you just made, save it as 1.2 and then click Export. In your folder that is now on your desktop, drag in your PSD file that you've used to create your movements so that they're all in one section there. Watch on for how to import your characters into Scratch.